The cabin air filter, also known as the AC filter, is essential for trapping dust, pollen, and pollutants, ensuring clean air inside your tracks. To replace it, first, ensure your vehicle is off and parked safely. The filter is located behind the passenger side glove compartment. Open the glove box and carefully detach it by releasing the retaining pins or screws. These usually snap out. With the glove box removed, you'll see the filter housing. Unhook the housing cover to access the filter. Note the direction of the airflow arrows on the old filter before carefully sliding it out. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Use gloves to avoid contaminating the filter with dirt or oils from your hands. Now we'll install the new cabin air filter and reassemble the glove box. Take your new cabin air filter, part number 8417268 or equivalent, and insert it into the housing. Make sure the airflow arrows match the direction from the old filter. This ensures proper filtration. Secure the housing cover back in place. Now, reattach the glove box by aligning it with the hinges and snapping it back into position. Make sure it's properly secured to prevent any rattling or misalignment. Regularly replace your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually to maintain air quality and AC efficiency. In dusty conditions, change it more frequently. Neglecting this can reduce cooling efficiency and impact respiratory health. Remember, improper installation can cause issues like mold buildup and recirculation of dirty air.